Hey guys, Nuke Sergeant here, and today I'm playing the nuke adventures. And I know I might look like I just got out of bed, but I've been up for a while now. But I've been doing stuff around my house. Well, where I live, it's not really my house, but yeah, I've just been doing a little bit of stuff around my room, and I just didn't get to get a shower yet today. And I don't know, not whoa. Okay, cool. I really don't have a plan of action today. Wish I could live stream, but I need more subscribers is the only problem. I think I'm just gonna do some mining today. That's all I think I'm gonna do. Either that or wait, is that a regular tree? Yes, it is. So actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this after this episode. I want to figure out how to properly use whatchamacallit. Oh, what? What did I click on? I think I'm gonna just keep on working on the storage unit. What I think I'm gonna do after I'm done, like, cleaning up my room and everything, I think I'm going to play some Black Ops 2, because I now figured this out, guys. I am not going. Oh fuck. Oh, fuck's sake. I am not going to be doing a race to get golden, like, shotguns or anything. I'm not going to be doing that at all. I am just going to do, like, assault rifles or anything. So you'll see whenever I do this, will have a golden type 25. So I need to figure out how to. Ooh, wait! I gotta look outside at the land real quick. Ooh, you know what I could do? Run for one. Ooh, I'm gonna make a small little harbor this episode. But for that I need wood, which is a problem, in my opinion. Because we have, like, no trees around us. The only kind of trees are these trees up here. And they're taking forever to grow. Ooh, apple. I don't think I need you yet. At least, you know, like 2 episodes later. Oh no, I need a dirt! Yeah! So I'm gonna empty all this crap out of my inventory real quick. Oh god. Whoa, I'm close to a lot of mobs. Got wrong fingering position. Okay, that's that. That's that. That's cobblestone, and I got a crap ton of that. That's seeds, you can go in there. You can be for dirt. You are going to be for wooden items. So, wooden them. Chests, fence. You're just going to be meniscus. And you can be for, your food. You can be coal. And I think the rest of this goes in meniscus. Flower, actually, no, that's a seed. In my book, as a seed. Oh, I still got a Dude, oh no, I just need the shards. That's what's wrong. Sorry, I'm just trying to think. You can go in food. I keep rotten flesh as food because I think I'm gonna. After a while, we all know I'm gonna run out of food like an idiot, and then I'm gonna need that. So. I still don't know how to get it. I mean, I'm in recipe mode, but I don't know why it's that. It's weird. So, oops, didn't mean that. The rest of the stuff can pretty much stay on me, except for these camouflage plates and the invert stone. A spade can. Okay. Let's just sleep. Okay. Now let's. Why do I got 2 stone hose? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I know I could have just done like mental math instead of doing that right there, but I'm lazy. I'm lazy. Need you. Stone axe, because I'm gonna need that later. So right now, actually, I'm not gonna do a harbor today. I think in between episodes, I'm just gonna like start, killing skeletons and getting bone meal and everything, and just grow a crap ton of trees. And I forgot food. So this episode, I think what we should do, I think I'm just gonna probably work on getting like diamonds or, I need a goal set. Quarry. Oh wow, it's 2 hours, okay. So, I need a lot of diamonds. How many to make this? I need 4, 8. Oops. I need 4, 8 diamond, 8 diamonds, 9, 10 diamonds, 11 diamonds maybe. And industrial diamonds. Okay, I'm just gonna let that go for now. And then just go I forgot the food again. Oh my god. This is annoying whenever it comes to lag. So I don't think I'm gonna be I don't think I'm gonna be what's it called, live streaming Minecraft whenever it comes to it. I think whenever I start live streaming, I think I'm just gonna be doing like zombies or PlayStation 3 Minecraft or BioShock Infinite, BioShock 1. Oh, that reminds me, I should I've been meaning to do something with my BioShock game, but I haven't done it. I'm an idiot. Into the mine we go, we mine. We go, we mine. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, we're at level 12. Huh. For some reason, whenever I'm down in mining shafts, it's least laggy because I can actually tell while what I'm walking to. And you! What the heck? So what did we find in... Oh no, this is just... Okay. I know what we did. I'm either gonna get some stuff for the quarry today or work on a jetpack's too complex. And you let me out. You. Okay, now this is where we found the diamonds. The diamonds. Right in here. Wait. How far back did we go? Oh, okay. So now I am just going to strip mine this way. Show me more diamonds we can find. I know this is kind of like the most boring thing. I think, I don't like those. I'm gonna try and start up a new series, like get an island series started, like just like by myself, see how long I can last. Like I'm gonna put it in hardcore mode, see how long I can last. I mean, people are gonna be like, "Are you still not off of like the so many YouTubers and all this?" I'm like, I know, but it's a good idea. It's how you get viewers. I cannot get this yet, crap, because I don't have iron pick. I mean, you stole this off of YouTubers, and it's like, okay, well, the other YouTubers who did this stole it off of other YouTubers, so good luck trying to blame it on me now. So just think about that next time that you try and blame me for something. Just saying. Don't hate me. Don't hate me because I got good ideas. I just want diamonds. What the frick is that? I need iron. Come on. I probably have like a ton at home and I just didn't even bother making an iron pick. I'm gonna have to go back in a second. Yeah, because I have to go back because I didn't make a second pick, I'm an idiot. Sorry. I tried to mute my mic there for a second. Like I did there. Ooh. Jesus. I thought I just like made my nose start to bleed as I sneezed. Oh, I didn't mute my mic, sorry. Ugh. Man, will I ever stop sneezing? Sorry, I sneezed a few more times. That's why I put my head down. Wait a minute. Did I? Okay. Man. Oh, going back. Yay! Am I even running you? No, I wasn't. Gotta go through all this crap now. What? I'm stuck. I was trying to get the water to stop running down here. There. I'm sorry I sneezed. I usually try and fuck. I usually try not to sneeze in front of the webcam. But you know, you gotta sneeze. That's probably the first time I sneezed in a while, actually. See, now I sneeze a lot, but I don't sneeze on camera. Usually. I mean, I sometimes do, but you know, shit happens. Can't always stop a sneeze. So, I'm not gonna make this episode real long since it's just me gonna be mining and probably sneezing a few more times. But, let's see how long it's been going. 17 minutes. I'll probably, leave this episode here right now, actually, you guys. So, there, I did it right. Okay. So, guys, my name is the Nuke Sergeant. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry I sneezed on camera. I mean, it happens. But next time, next episode, I will be working on mining again. But actually, no, next episode I will want to work on the harbor, like a harbor, so we have one, in case we want to go fishing or something. You never know. So, my name is the Nuke Sergeant. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.